Hello everybody, I'm Adrian. So today I'm gonna go get me an old pickup truck. It's a project truck. So it's an 89 F-150. It hasn't been running in a while, and I was told it had some oil pressure issues. So, but then again, that's the 4.9 liter straight six, one of the best engines Ford ever made. So I might actually be able to get it up and running. But if not, I'm thinking I'll put in a V8, the 302, or the 351 engine. So that'll be an interesting project to do an engine swap for sure. But yeah, I'll be making videos along the way. I gotta get a lot of stuff fixed to get it up and running, but the body seemed good, clean title, so really excited about it. And one of the reasons I like it is because, see, like on my C7, it's a manual transmission, and I just really like driving manual vehicles. I think they just add to the driving experience, so I think it'll be fun having that short bed single cab pickup truck. Well, went ahead and just bought me an old project truck. It's 89 F-150, short bed, two-wheel drive. The body's intact, doesn't have dents, so body wise it looks good. So one of the reasons I like these old trucks is because well, they just don't make them in manual anymore. So this one's a manual transmission. So I think it'll be a fun project, getting it back into shape. So it does have the straight six, but it needs an engine. So what I'm going to do is get the 5.0 or the 5.8 and convert it over, because it looks like the transmission is the same one. I do gotta swap the flywheel and a couple other things like the engine mounts, but so yeah, I think that'll be a interesting project. I got a lot of old stuff here. This is like early 80s. Another one of that same body style. A 90s old body style. And then we got another one over here. But I like that one because that one's the one that looked like it was in better shape. Some more old body style trucks. F350. So the engine that this truck I'm buying, it's got the straight six cylinder, 4.9 liter. So yeah, stay tuned for some content. I'll make videos along the way as I do that engine swap. But I might just go ahead and try to see if I can get that engine running, because it does turn over, it does crank, it's just got oil pressure issues. But that's just what I was told. So I might just be able to get it running. And being how it's a straight six with this high fuel prices, I might just want to keep it with the straight six, but if not, I'll put a V8 in it. So anyways, like and subscribe and stay tuned for some content.